Hello, third standard. Yesterday in third video we learned the magic with fingers this way. Today I will show you some activities that we will do when school will open. So here is a activity. Let us have some fun. So here some pictures you have to draw this way, taking on a page. Like this activity we will do afterwards. Now we will do next question. So spend some time under a tree, observe the animals carefully, name the animals which can be seen. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा बोला गया है कि आप कभी अगर किसी ट्री के अंदर लेटे हुए हों और आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया हो तो कौन से एनिमल्स कहाँ पे आपको दिखते हैं वो आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ ऑन द ब्रांचेस. तो ब्रांचेस पे कौन से बर्ड्स आप मोस्टली देखते हो. तो यहाँ पे आप क्रो भी लिख सकते हो, बट आई लाइक राइट हियर स्वालो, कुकू, स्पैरो, पैरोट, डव, एक्सेट्रा. देन नेक्स्ट वन ऑन द लीव्स. तो लीव्स पे हम कौन से देखेंगे. एंट, बेटल, कैटरपिलर, ग्रासहॉपर, ये सारे. ऑन द ट्रंक, तो ट्रंक पे हम इंसेक्ट्स देखेंगे. राइट. ऑन द ग्राउंड, तो ग्राउंड, रैट, स्नैक, रैबिट. मोर देन इट. अराउंड द ट्री, ट्री के सराउंड में मतलब ट्री के आसपास में मोस्टली काव, डॉग, कैट, goat. These on all animals we can see around the tree. Now arrange these animals in the order of their size. Smallest begins the first. So सबसे small one, which is the smallest one? So that is ant. Then termite. Third one beetle. Fourth one caterpillar. Fifth one grasshopper. Sixth one rat. Seventh one gibbons. Eighth one sloth. Ninth one sparrow. 10th one quail. 11th one parrot. 12th one rat. 13th one squirrel. 14th cat. 15th dog. 16th cow. And 17th one is snake. So these all animals we can see around a tree. Okay, now here is jigsaw puzzle. What is that? Jigsaw puzzle. In a jigsaw puzzle, a picture is cut in such a way that one has to really think hard to fit and the picture together. ये सारे फिक्सो पजल में ये पिक्चर इस तरीके से हम फिक्स कर सकते हैं. So now make a jigsaw puzzle using a picture of any animal. Paste the picture on a cardboard. Now cut the cardboard along the edges of the picture. Cut this cardboard into unequal pieces. Give these pieces to your friends. Ask them to put the pieces together and identify the animal. So this is a one kind of game that you have to play with your friend and ask him or her that after giving these pieces of puzzle you have to ask your friend to arrange this picture in order and you have to identify the picture. Okay, so now we will do question answers for chapter 1 in third standard. So what is the first one question? The question is, which animal live in the pond? So you have to write here animals such as frog, fish, snake, crocodile, etc. live in the pond. Second one picture is, which animals live in the nest? So answer is all birds live in the nest. The third one question is, write the name of animals which eat food with their mouth. तो कौन से एनिमल अपने मुंह से खाना खाते हैं? दैट यू हैव टू राइट. एनिमल्स सच एज डॉग, cow, pig, horse, donkey. These animals eat food with their mouth. Now, which animals eat food with their tongue? काफ़ी ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जो अपनी जीभ से, मतलब कि टंग से खाना खाते हैं. वो एनिमल्स कौन से? द एनिमल्स सच एज स्नेक, लिजार्ड, चैमेलियन एक्सेट्रा ईट फूड विद देयर टंग. क्योंकि ये सारे रेप्टाइल्स होते हैं और रेप्टाइल्स मोस्टली अपने जीभ से ही खाना खाते हैं. मोस्टली रेप्टाइल्स, नॉट ऑल. फिफ्थ वन क्वेश्चन, विच एनिमल लिव इन वाटर? तो यहाँ पे आपको आंसर लिखना है. एनिमल्स लाइक क्रोकोडाइल, फिश, फ्रॉग, टर्टल, earthworm, etc. are live in water. Now next, sixth one question is, which animals can you spot on in the picture? तो यहाँ पे बुक में भी आपको ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. सो आंसर इज डव, एंट, क्रो, स्क्विरल, स्पैरो, मैना, butterfly, parrot, monkey are spot on the tree in the picture. Okay, now next, seventh one question, which animal did Poonam see at the pond? Poonam see following animals at the pond: goat, crane, swan, turtle, frog, and buffalo, etc. Today's lesson till here. So you have to write these question answers in your notebook in separately in single line. Today's session will be over here.